Our cooking class in Chiang Mai could have not been any better because we had these most gracious hosts, Ma P and Chep Ja. Nikky feeding souls.
Anyway, since you are in our Thai house and we want you to try something typical, which you can do that at home, and you can prepare by yourself at home when you get home. Well, in front of you here, what you see is what we call Miang Kham. So each one you handle differently. So today when you put the sauce, I'll let you do it by yourself. And before serving, you taste it. And then you know how much you can handle and what else you want to put more. So this way, when you go home, you know how to cook by yourself. So the recipe that I sent you, when you try it, you may adjust it from there, from these four different flavors. Is that clear?
Yes. We started off with Nam Prik Ong. Nam Prik Ong is a northern style dip, and we made it with either chicken or pork. It really resembles this comfort food.
I am going to put the salt for you by yourself at the beginning, and later when you cook it. Oh, and the one who have one little tiny thing that I cut for you.
How much? A mile.
Okay. Yeah, I know mild, but still. So you can rinse it, just like clean up your mouth, and because that. Okay. Okay, and then you can start put the chicken in and the water in.
No, you took mine out.
Okay, enough salt? Enough salt, yeah, because that's why when... As I told you, we have to have so many dishes, and if you rice in the first...
The second dish that we made was Som Tum.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
You see, there are some more liquid in there, and then put the papaya in. They'll sell the one that already seasoning with some sugar.
We like imported. All right. Okay.
We then moved on to Pad Kee Mow, or Drunken Noodles. I like to call it Pad Kee Mow, and we got to make it with truly the holy basil of Thailand.
At home, you can put any meat, chicken, pork, beef, shrimp, any meat that you like, you can put it in. What I have in your plate here is onion, long bean, mushroom, bell pepper, and bamboo shoot. Okay, you may start put in. Okay, how to use this thing? You know when you put it like this, it's hard to stir it. Use the corner.
You get you sink in it. That's all I know.
For decor.
Well, how'd I know this was...
Last but not least, we had to make Kao Soi.
And the yellow thing on top is the curry powder, yellow curry powder.
When they got to make this Bua Loy,
have some sticky rice flour for you to mix. Well, this dessert is called Bua Loy.
Meat too.
Yeah, that's a coconut milk. Coconut meat. You have to.
Stay there.
เลอะได้มีไข่เดี๋ยวทำให้
They even way to eat this is with fresh coconut meat. Thank you นะคะแม่พีand Chefจ๋า It was super soul feeding and it would be one of the experience that none of us will ever forget. Thank you for sharing your home. We thank you.
Nikky feeding souls.